Hi students, our point is periodic trends in modern periodic table. Yes or no? Yes. Periodic trends in modern periodic table. In previous lecture, we see the first property, that is valency. Now, today we see second property, that is atomic size. Periodic trends in modern periodic table. Second property is atomic size. What is atomic size? Who is the atomic size to determine? Many of the questions, but basic step by step, one by one. Okay. So listen carefully. Size or volume is a fundamental property of matter. Students, we already know in the 9th standard, size or volume is the fundamental property of matter. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला मॅटर समजून घ्यायचं आहे, पदार्थ समजून घ्यायचा आहे, द्रव्य समजून घ्यायचं आहे, त्यावेळेस त्या मॅटरची साईज, त्या मॅटरचा व्हॅल्यूम अतिशय महत्वाची प्रॉपर्टी असल्या कारणानं इयत्ता 9वी मध्येच आपण पाहिलेलं आहे, द साईज ऑर व्हॅल्यूम इज द फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ मॅटर. सो size or volume is the fundamental property of matter, and second, the size of an atom is indicated by its radius. Listen carefully. Size is the fundamental property of matter, and this size can be determined by, indicated by its radius. Size is the fundamental property आहे, आणि साइज ही तर ॲटॉमिक रेडियस वरून इंडिकेट केली जाते. मग व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द ॲटॉमिक रेडियस? नाउ लिसन केअरफुली. डेफिनेशन ऑफ द ॲटॉमिक रेडियस. ॲटॉमिक रेडियस इज द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द ॲटम अँड इट्स आउटरमोस्ट शेल. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost cell. See this picture. This is the structure of atom. This is the nucleus, first cell, second cell, and third cell. Now, what is the atomic radius? Atomic radius is the distance. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of atom and cells, outermost cell of the element or atom. This is the nucleus. This is the first cell. That means this is the atomic radius. The element having only one cell in electronic configurations, this element have this radius of atoms. Now, when two cells in electronic configuration, then atomic radius is increases atomic radius. Now, when three cells, then increasing atomic radius. Why increasing atomic radius? Because we say the definition, the distance between the nucleus to the outermost cell is called as atomic radius. Now, when only first cell, only one cell, distance very less, that means radius less. But when we consider the two cells, then the distance increases as compared to the only one cell atom. And when we consider the three cells in the electronic configuration of atom, then the distance increases, radius increases. That means when one cell is added, as one cell is added, distance increases, that means atomic radius increases, that means atomic size increases. One cell, two cell, three cell. One cell increase, distance increase, radius increase, and atomic size increase. जसे जसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन मधील शेल्स वाढत जातील तसतसं ॲटॉमिक रेडियस सुद्धा वाढत जाते. increase the atomic radius. This atomic radius is expressed in the unit picometer, pm, picometer, which is smaller than the nanometer. So that 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to negative 12 meter. Very less. Picometer is just very smaller than the nanometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to negative 12 meter. Again, revise the structure. This is only one cell, two cells, three cells. One cell, two cells, three cells. आणि दिसण्यावरूनही आपण पाहिलं तरी आपल्या लक्षात येतं की जसजशा सेल्स वाढतील तसतसे ॲटॉमिक रेडियस वाढत जाते. ओके, नाउ वी सी द some examples period wise and some examples group wise. Okay, now we'll take the example of the period and compare the atomic size. Okay, students, we take example oxygen having atomic radius 6 picometer, boron 88 picometer, carbon 77 picometer, nitrogen 74 picometer, beryllium 111 picometer, lithium 152 picometer. These are the examples in one period. Now, for the answering, we take descending order of the radius, atomic radius. When you take the descending order of the atomic radius, then first will come 152, that means lithium. Lithium 152. Descending order, lithium 152, beryllium 111, boron 88 picometer, carbon 77 picometer, nitrogen 74 picometer, and last one oxygen is 66 picometer. This is mixing because this is example. Now we take orderly by decreasing order. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Now this arrangement is the decreasing order of their atomic radius. When we observe this, then we remember the modern periodic table. And when we remember the modern periodic table, then this all are examples of the second period. Yes or no? Second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. All are the examples of the second period, orderly. Then, when we observe these examples, then we concluded that according to period, when we go from left to right, this is left side and this is right side. Left to right, atomic radius goes on decreasing. Left to right. The atomic radius of the lithium is 152, but atomic radius of the oxygen is 66. Left to right la decrease. That means atomic radius goes on the decreasing while going from left to right within a period. Okay, this is now confirmed. Left to right decrease हो जाते. But what is the reason? What is the reason? Okay. See example, lithium with the structure of lithium atom. This is the lithium first cell and second cell. Atomic number of the lithium is 3. Atomic number of the lithium is 3. 1, 2 and 1. These are the electronic configuration. 2, 1. Now we draw atomic structure of the oxygen. Last, oxygen. Oxygen is 8. Atom number is 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to 8. Okay. This is oxygen. This is lithium. This is the atomic structure of the lithium, electronic configuration. This is the atomic structure of the oxygen and electronic configuration. Now we see. Listen carefully. आपल्याला रिझन पाहायचं आहे. असं का होतं इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मध्ये डिक्रीज का होतं त्याचं रिझन बघतोय आपण. ओके. When we observe the electronic configuration of the lithium, there is the two shells, and when we observe the electronic configuration of the oxygen, there is also two shells, and this is right because of they are in same period. Because they are in same period, number of period is same as the number of shells. Two shells, second period. Two shells, second period. Okay. Now, number of when going from left to right, the number of atomic number also increases one by one. Atomic number increases one by one. That means when atomic number increases one by one, that means positive charge on the nucleus increases one by one also. Because atomic number is a proton number. Proton is a positive charge. Atomic number increases one by one. That means positive charge on the nucleus increases one by one. From left to right, atomic number increases. Positive charge on the nucleus increases. Also, number of electron increases, but number of electron increases in outermost cell, same cell. Here is only one electron in the second cell, but when come to the oxygen, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons in the outermost cell. Second cell मध्ये 1 आहे, second cell मध्ये 6 आहे. 6 second cell मध्ये 6 आहे, second cell मध्ये 1 आहे. पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज लिथियमच्या न्यूक्लियसवर जेवढा आहे त्यापेक्षा ऑक्सिजनच्या न्यूक्लियसवर पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कितीतरी पटीने अधिक आहे. इथे सेकंड सेल मध्ये एकच इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे, सेकंड सेल मध्ये 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत. ड्यू टू द इन्क्रीजिंग ऑफ द पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ऑन द न्यूक्लियस, these all electrons pulled away towards the center, that means towards the nucleus, pulled away, strongly attracted towards the center, because these these atoms have strong nuclear charge, positive charge, and they pulled towards the nucleus. These atoms have low positive nuclear charge. Low positive nuclear charge. That means this away, lose electron, but these are pulled to the nucleus, and that's why when left to right, when go left to right in a period, atomic size decreases. Okay, so the perfect give the reason of reading. While going from left to right, within a period, the atomic number increases one by one, meaning the positive charge on the nucleus increases by 1 unit at time. Okay. However, the additional electron gets added to the same outermost cell. Same outermost cell. Let's see in this example. Second cell. Additional electron get added, but cell is same, outermost cell is same. Due to the increased nuclear charge, the electrons are pulled towards the nucleus to a greater extent. Strong nuclear charge, greater extent, and therefore, the size of the atoms decreases from left to right. Okay? Listen carefully. Now, we take the example of the element in a same group for comparing the atomic size. Okay? Students, example, potassium 231 picometer radius, sodium 186 picometer radius, rubidium 244 picometer radius, cesium 262 picometer radius, and lithium 152 picometer radius. Okay. Now, these elements can be arranged in their increasing order of their atomic radius. Increasing order. Okay. So, first is a 152 picometer, that means lithium 152, greater 186, greater 231, greater 244, greater 262. Okay. Now this is arranged in increasing order of their atomic radius. Now, name of the elements. First coming lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. When we observe this arrangement, increasing order of their atomic radius or atomic size, atomic radius, increasing order of their atomic radius, and see the name of the element, then we remember the modern periodic table, and this is the first group, that means alkali metals. First group, alkali metals. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. All are the metals, and this is the first group. So, when this arrangement seen, then we can be concluded that when top to bottom, when comes down the group, atomic radius increasing. When down the group, atomic radius increasing. Now, how atomic radius is increasing? Okay, this is very simple, students. ज्यांनी आतापर्यंत व्यवस्थित लक्ष दिले आहे त्यांना खूप छान समजेल, म्हणून सर्वांनी लक्ष द्या. नाही समजलं व्हिडिओ पुन्हा पहा, समजेल. This is the basic concepts. When concepts are clear, then no problem in science. Okay. Lithium, 2 shells. Sodium, 3 shells. Potassium, 4 shells. 2 shells. 3 shells. 4 shells. 5 shells. 6 shells. When we observe this arrangement, 2 shell, 3 shell, 4 shell, 5 shell, 6 shell, that means when down the group, one outermost cell is added. One cell is added. That means when down the group, the one change the period and one cell is added. period change. This is the second period, third period, fourth period, fifth, sixth period. 2 cells, 3 cells, 4 cells, 5 cells, and 6 cells. Down the group, 1 cell is added. 1 cell is added. When cell is added, now this is the 2 cells, but there is a 3 cells. When cell is added, therefore the distance between the nucleus and the outermost cell increases. Here is short distance. Here is more. Here is more. Distance increases. 1 cell added. Distance between the nucleus and outermost cell increases. जेव्हा आपण एक एक सेल्स वाढवत जातो, कक्षा वाढवत जातो, म्हणजेच काय होतं, त्या ॲटमचं न्यूक्लियस पासूनचं आणि आउटर मोस्ट सेल म्हणजे बाहेर शेवटच्या कक्षेतलं अंतर वाढत जातं. एकच सेल असेल तर कमी, 2 सेल असेल तर त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त, 3 असतील तर त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त, 4 सेल असेल तर जास्त. ॲज वी इन्क्रीज द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स, then the distance between the nucleus and outermost cell increases. That means the increase the atomic radius. Increase the atomic radius, and when atomic radius increases, atomic size increases. Okay. Now see, atomic size goes on increasing because why? Because while going down the group, new cell is added. Just we say, new cell is added. Therefore, distance between the outermost cell and the nucleus goes on increasing. Distance between the nuclear cells and outermost cell increases. Atomic size increases in spite of the increased nuclear charge. Therefore, the atomic size increases in spite of the increased nuclear charge. Nuclear charge देखील वाढतो and atomic size देखील वाढते. Now, listen carefully. When we discuss the atomic size in the period, then left to right, atomic size decreasing order decreases, and when we discuss the atomic size in the group, then atomic size decreases by down the group. वरून खाली येताना, ग्रुप मध्ये वरून खाली येताना atomic size increase होते, आणि पिरियड मध्ये डावीकडून उजवीकडे लेफ्ट टू राईट येताना atomic size डिक्रीज होते. लेफ्ट टू राईट डिक्रीज होते, आणि ग्रुप मध्ये डाउन द ग्रुप वरून खाली टॉप टू बॉटम इन्क्रीज होते. ग्रुप मध्ये वरून खाली इन्क्रीज होते, top to bottom increases, and period left to right decreases. Okay, understood all of you?